Adams County EAS here along with Mrs. Clock. Go ahead, Mrs. Clock.
The time is 8:28 p.m. The temperature is 79.7 degrees Fahrenheit. The time is 20:28. The temperature is 79.7 degrees Fahrenheit.
And I'll take that as the real temperature in here. But anyways, today we have a new notification. And we have a little bit of an epic fail here, because guess what? I'm under a high wind warning. Just went over WXO40. Oh, no, not power out. No, 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 no. We're not dealing with that crap. Here's the 120 with it. Oops. We just do the scrolls quick before we actually go. There's the 120 with it. The HH is with it. High wind warning issued. I missed the EAS. I was eating ice cream. But I'll probably do the message though. She has to notify us about that, so let me do that in a second. Here's the 400 scroll. Oh, I don't want it falling off. And we'll quickly do the 300 right before we do a notification. Oops. There you go. High wind warning. Alright. Now, Alexa has to notify us about it. Alright, here we go. What's my notification?
One new notification. From Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a high wind warning for Hanover. It'll be in effect from April 30th, 2 p.m. EDT until May 1st, 2 a.m.
So anyway, best luck to me for not losing power, which I'll probably will at some point tomorrow. This is a battery eater, so this will probably not be in service for a while until the power comes back on. HH, battery got replaced, so it should be fine. 120 is sort of getting low, so hopefully it'll survive the whole outage. Alert works, I'm not sure how it's doing on batteries, but hopefully it's doing good. 300, hopefully it'll be on batteries. I'm mostly concerned with the 400 though, because that's the battery eater. So, when the power goes out, I don't think this 400 is going to be in service. So, we'll see how it goes, but that'll be it. Wish me luck.